Hi everyone, welcome to Universe Samm. In this video, I will quickly explore 5 of the best AI websites that will make your work 10 times easier and faster. Let's start. Okay, the first one we'll talk about is ChatGPT, which is the most popular one these days. It's a language processing tool, and it can be very useful if you're working on an article or writing an assignment or writing a blog, etc. So let's see how does it work. Okay, so you just open your browser and just type in chat.openai.com, and then it will ask you to sign up for the first time. I have already signed up and I've been working with my stuff, and you can see the things that you have been working on comes up on the left hand side. So here you see this space and you can type anything. I have one question for ChatGPT. I'll type it in here. What is the best way to get motivated? And then press enter. So motivation can be elusive, and then it gives you a lot of stuff. You can pick up anything that you want. You can delete anything. You can edit, and you can rephrase whatever. And this way you can easily write an essay, an article, blog, or your assignment. By the way, for students, if you copy paste everything from ChatGPT, you can be caught for plagiarism. So just be careful. And for that, I have a tool for that. It's called Quillbot. You can rephrase these things from there. The second AI tool that I'm going to talk about is MagicStudio. MagicStudio helps you with the editing and creating images. Okay, so you just go to magicstudio.com, and as you go down, you will find lots of things here, like Canvas is there. There's a photo booth, and then there are other things. I'll just show you one of these things, which is like remove unwanted things in seconds. So you just click on this magic eraser. So upload a file. And let me just zoom it. Now I want to remove this thing or a couple of things here. So what I can do, I can just pick up the brush size, and you can actually make it bigger, or you can make it smaller like this. So just select the perfect size for your thing, and you can simply cover it with this thing and say erase. And if there is something else that you want to remove, suppose I want to remove this thing, I'll just pick it up and erase. And same with other things. There you go. And then you can download your edited picture. Third AI tool is AutoDraw. AutoDraw uses artificial intelligence to help in your drawing. So just go to autodraw.com, and this is what you get. And from here, you can select the size you want for your drawing. I have selected the default one. I have this AutoDraw here. I have draw and text, and all these, the common tools are already there. Let me just start by typing the name of my drawing, and then I can drag it around anywhere I want. I can change the color of it. I can even change the font and font size. Okay, now I go to AutoDraw, and I want to draw a wall clock. I know my drawing is not that good, so I'll try to draw a circle here. And as soon as I draw a circle, it gives me some suggestions. So since I don't find what I am looking for here, I will keep on drawing. And see, as soon as I typed 12 here, it gave me these suggestions also. I can pick up this one. It gives me my wall clock. I can pick up the other one also. And if I'm happy with this, I can pick it up and drag it anywhere I want. I can change the color of it. I can change the size of it. And this is it. And then after you're done with your drawing, you can download it. The fourth one we'll talk about is Tome application. Tome is an application that makes it easier for you to write a story or make presentations. So I'll tell you how does it work. So you just go to this site, tome.app, and I just created my workspace here by the name of Universe. So once you are done with this, you can go to create, and then you can do a lot of stuff here, but I'll tell you how to make a story. Click on create presentation about, and then click on presentation and pick up story from here. And under the images, you can pick up any type of images that you want. I'll pick up fantasy here. You just need to give a title for your story. For me, I will say The Princess Who Never Spoke, and then enter. Okay, so it automatically took the title of The Silent Princess, and now it's generating slides for me. And there you go. By default, it generates 8 slides. So it depends upon you how many slides you want. You can add more, you can delete some. So I'll go to the first one. It says The Silent Princess. And then the second one will tell me what is it about. And you can also rephrase something. The prince knew what he had to do. If I want to rephrase this thing, I can just select this area and then I go to rewrite it. And it will give you a different sentence for this one. Just go to this color palette here. And if you're not happy with this theme, you can pick up the theme of your choice. Once you're done with this story, you can go to share and share it. Anyone with the link, or you can give this QR code also. The fifth one is Craiyon.com. This AI tool helps you to generate images of any scenario or any title that you type in here. So I just typed in princess playing with a cat and then press draw. You can see the progress here. It takes a little bit time, but it will give you some images, like around 9 images to choose from. And there you go. That's it for my video today, and I really hope that you use these tools. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Take care.